What if I told you you can launch your own sports betting website and start earning from online traffic worldwide? But here's the catch. One wrong hosting choice can shut everything down overnight. Hey guys, welcome back to ABC Hosting. I'm Nick. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a sports betting website with offshore hosting step by step. If you're serious about building a long-term secure betting platform, this video is exactly what you need. So first, let's understand this clearly. Sports betting is the process where users place bets on sports events like football, cricket, basketball, and more. People predict outcomes and earn money if their predictions are correct. Now you might ask, why bring it online? Because online platforms allow global audience reach 24/7, betting access automated systems for payments and odds, higher scalability, and profits. That's why online sports betting websites are growing massively in 2026. Step 1. Choose your niche. Don't try to target everything at once. Pick a niche like cricket betting, football betting, esports betting. Focused niche equals better targeting plus faster growth. Step 2. Get a domain name. Choose a domain that is short and memorable, relevant to betting, easy to brand. Example, something like bet, odds, or play related. Step 3. Choose offshore hosting. Most important. This is the backbone of your website. Why offshore hosting? Because betting content can face restrictions in many countries. Offshore servers provide more freedom, better privacy, and protection, reduced risk of sudden takedowns. Without offshore hosting, your site is always at risk. Step 4. Install betting software or script. You'll need a platform to run your website. Options include ready-made betting scripts, custom-built platforms, WordPress plus betting plugins for beginners. Make sure your system supports live odds, user accounts, payment integrations. Step 5. Set up payment methods. You need smooth deposit and withdrawal systems. Popular options. Crypto payments, very popular. Payment gateways, wallet integrations. Fast payments equals more trust plus more users. Step 6. Add security and protection. Security is critical in betting websites. Make sure you have SSL certificate, DDoS protection, user data protection. Step 7. Launch and promote. Once everything is ready, launch your website. Use SEO, ads, and social media. Target the right audience. Traffic equals revenue in this business. Now, if you're looking for a reliable offshore hosting provider, I highly recommend QloudHost. QloudHost is perfect for betting websites because it offers offshore servers for maximum freedom, strong DDoS protection, high uptime and performance, privacy-focused hosting, affordable plans for beginners and pros. If you're serious about building a stable betting platform, this is one of the best options out there. Link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you still have any questions or confusion, drop them in the comments below. I personally read and reply to help you out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more powerful hosting and online business guides. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.